what time it is?
It's time for the
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 20th, 2023. Here are some upcoming events. Next week will be Literacy Week at the elementary campus. The week will be filled with fun literacy activities. On Monday, January 23rd, please have your child wear blue to represent the ocean. On Tuesday, students can dress like a pirate. Wednesday is dress like a sailor. On Thursday, students wear bling, fake jewelry, tiaras, and crowns. And Friday, students wear tropical shirts and sunglasses. Please bring a beach towel and a flashlight. The PBMA Boys Middle School basketball schedule is January 26th at 4:30 p.m. versus Franklin Academy in Boynton Beach. The game will be played at Franklin Academy in Boynton Beach. On January 27th and January 28th, there is a weekend tournament. The location and times will be announced. February 6th at 4 p.m., it'll be at Trinity Lutheran in Delray Beach. And February 8th at 4:30 p.m. at Franklin Academy in Boynton Beach. Please come out and cheer on our Sharks. Friday, January 27th at 6 o'clock p.m. will be STEM night. The Cox Science Center will bring fascinating hands-on activities to our secondary campus. This event is for all our kindergarten through 12th grade students and their families to enjoy. Admission is free. We will sell pizza and chips as a fundraiser. Please join us for this great event. Monday, February 20th, is a teacher work day. No school for students. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, my PBMA friends. This is Ms. Thomas, your high school counselor, with a few announcements. My first few announcements is for my seniors. Some of you still need to complete your senior pictures and order your cap and gowns. I need you to do that as soon as possible, no later than the end of this month. If you need me to resend that information to do that, please let me know, okay? My next announcement, shout out to all the seniors who attended our senior meeting yesterday. Thank you so much for all the input and all the ideas. Seniors, we are going to go ahead and have our next few meetings weekly, every Wednesday, so we can go ahead and get a head start on all those things that we need to take care of. Additionally, please be on the lookout for the senior class cabinets. We are going to put that out by next week, Ms. Topher and I, so you can see who will be your senior class cabinets for the rest of the year. And our first fundraising event will be held February 1st, seniors, for our parking space painting. It is going to be $10, and you need to bring your own painting supplies. When you have your money, you can give it to either me or Miss Topher, and we will go ahead and get you all started for our first fundraising event. Also, seniors, please go ahead and start those college applications if you have not done so already. Also, your financial aid applications. And as you do them, please let me know if you need anything from me, a letter of recommendation, your transcripts, or anything else, and I will assist you in that process if you need help. My next announcement goes to all of my PBMA high school friends. I will be doing a student progression plan refresher presentation next week in your classes. I know some of you have come up to me in regards to your graduation track and your credits. I will go ahead and review all of that with you. If you want to go over it individually with me, please remember to set up an appointment and I will go ahead and give you the full layout individually. And my last announcement, you already know what I'm going to say, community service hours. Please get those hours in. Again, my friends, you need 20 hours to graduate. I actually have a volunteer service opportunity with Miss Memon on STEM Some of you have already reached out to me. There's still space on that list. She needs 20 volunteers, so please let me know if you are interested. And that's all I have. Thank you. Have a good day.
It is now time to send back your students' re-enrollment packet. It is important to note, charter school students must re-enroll every single year. Packets are due back no later than February 3rd. Packets received after February 3rd will not guarantee your child's spot for next year. To ensure your child has a spot for next year, please return the packets to your student's teacher on or before February 3rd. If you have an incoming kindergarten student, we are now accepting their applications. Please send me an email and I will send the registration packet home. Mrs. Racker's kindergarten class learned about diversity last week. We may look different on the outside, but we are all the same on the inside. The students observed the difference between the outside and insides of white and brown eggs. In the Miss Tertiero Media Center, kindergarten students are connecting the Caldecott winning book Tuesday with movement. First grade visited Gumbo Limbo. Let's hear all about it. I'm here with Miss Howell's first grade class. And you guys went on a trip to someplace really cool. Where did you go? Okay, and you saw all kinds of things. Who can tell me their favorite thing that they saw? What was your favorite thing?
I saw baby turtles and fish, and so I saw, and my favorite also thing was also glowing fish.
Glowing fish, cool. What was your favorite thing?
My favorite thing was the baby turtle, the big turtle, the medium turtle, the catfish, the regular fish, the little crab, and the snake, and the spider, and the turtle that we got to pet, and the snake that we got to pet.
Oh my goodness, what was your favorite thing?
The sea turtles.
Sea turtles. Let's see over here. What was your favorite thing?
Turtles.
Turtles. How about you?
Spider.
Spider. And yours?
Giant fish.
Giant fish. What is your favorite thing, Wisdom?
Snakes.
Snakes and?
A baby turtle.
Oh!
Pufferfish.
Pufferfish.
Baby fish.
Baby fish, okay.
Grown-up fish. I like the stingray and the baby turtles, and I also liked the fish that were trying to bite us. I like the turtle baby.
All right, and our last person?
Baby turtles and the grown-up turtles.
Wow, okay. Who can tell me something you did there? What, something you did there?
We got to explore.
Okay, what else?
We went to the lab and pet some animals that we never see.
Like what kind of animals?
Snapping turtles.
Oh, okay. And what did you get to do?
We get to play with those fake turtles and see the turtles eating their lunch, and we got to sit on the turtle, slide on the turtles, play on the sand a little.
So was it a good trip? Yeah! Great. And do you know that first grade, third grade, and fifth grade are all going to Gumbo Limbo? So that'll be great fun. Thank you, guys. Let's see what's happening in secondary art.
Hi, we're at the secondary campus of PBMA and we are learning the magical measuring method in order to get the precise dimensions on our artwork. Last week we were doing horses and you can see how this student was getting all of the right dimensions for their horse, where the ear goes, where the eye goes. But if you want to learn this method, you're going to have to ask one of the art students here at our school. and have them demonstrate it. Here is a beautiful panther that one of the students did, and he is doing the double down dimension method, which he doubles the measurements to get the location of the eyes and the nose and how big the head is in order to make his panther bigger than what it is. So if you are interested in more of our beautiful artwork, we've got another tiger here, and we had another young lady did a beautiful butterfly with the correct dimensions on it. You're going to have to ask our art students. Okay, signing off.
Don't forget to purchase a yearbook. Yearbooks are now selling for $45 through January 31st. Yearbooks can be purchased at ybpay.lifetouch.com. Our school code is 14697423. And finally, here are our star students who demonstrated the characteristics of prudence. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.